Assalamualaikum students. Open your OP book. Book page number 5. Unit 1. Lesson 2. Listen and speak. Let's talk about Fiza's family. Students, let's see. फिज़ा की फैमिली में कौन कौन है और उनके घर में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं. She is Fiza and she is Fiza's mummy. Students, this is the spell of mummy. 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 She is Sarah. Who is she? She is Sarah. Where is Fiza's daddy? Here is Fiza's daddy. Students, this is a spell of daddy. 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 He is Ali. Look here, he is Ali. Now, what's this? Students, what's this? This is mat. Mat. What's the color of mat? It's red. What's in mummy's hand? What's in mummy's hand? Cup and book. What's the color of cup? Yellow. What is Sarah doing? Students, what is Sarah doing? She is writing. Now students, what's the cat and rat doing? Look here. What's the cat and rat doing? Cat is chasing the rat. Now students, it's your turn to talk about the things in Fiza's home. And what colors are they? Students, it's your homework to write 10 household objects on your English copy. Allah Hafiz.